Fifth Third Bank wire transfer instructions. Today we will talk about or give you the instructions for Fifth Third Bank wire transfer instructions. Well, the process is very simple. First of all, we will talk about how you can do it. The first things first, log into your account, and then second thing is go to your transfer section. And in the transfer section, select wire transfer, choose the wire transfer option. Now enter the details, provide the recipient's detail, which should be, the recipient's name, bank name, routing number, recipient's account number, amount, and currency. And then you just have to review and confirm it. Just double check all the information and confirm the transfer. And at the very end, submit the finalized answer or finalized transfer. Now, these are the details required for the domestic wire transfer, and these are the details required for the international wire transfers. You just have to read this carefully. For the domestic, you need bank name, routing number, and account name. While for the international, you need few more things. You need bank name, SWIFT code, and then routing number, account name, and then bank address as well. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.